they never understand.
Yeah.
So, because this Tembu, the guy, he just keeps on adding. And on the day it breaks you. I lost a lot of weight, and I was breastfeeding, but because of I wasn't eating, I was just losing a lot of weight.
I feel like he sometimes he just does what he wants to do. I feel like he doesn't think about me. And Mzansi around him. For him it's just fun and games.
On top of that, we are born that Tando. Our fun, things have changed.
There's a past that is very painful, that binds you guys together, that you're still here trying to fight.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Chain. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, we are talking about IZINGANE ZESTHEMBU. The episode guys esikhuluma ngayo ilezodlala next week on Tuesday. After this episode on One Magic, abantu abaningi gathered on the comment section to advise Vuyokazi, who feels betrayed and unloved by Mpumelelo. She also mentioned ukuthi ngesikhathi pregnant she was alone, she lost weight and ayitholi ke isupport abeyidinga kuMpumelelo. Kunalokho ke uMpumelelo wayazitholela amanye amantombazane including uDirelo. Uthi Vuyokazi ke ngokwazi kwakhe bawu8 kulomfana and uthi ufuna abafazi ke abawu7. So ufuna ukudlula ke baba wakho nesithembu sabafazi abawu4, uthi ufuna ukuba nabafazi abawu7. Obuya sengazi uthi ke kodwa kuyamhlula ke nje ukumanage isithembu lo bhuti omncane. Now the big question ukuthi ke yini ehlalise uVuyokazi ke kule relationship? Why don't she choose herself? Ngoba she is hurt guys, and kuyabonakala nje ukuthi ayikho into ezoshintsha. Umpumelelo akamvelwishi, akamboni nje, yazini akamboni, ubona nje umuntu wesifazane onengane naye, kodwa akamboni ukuthi angadiscussa naye izinto or amlalele mangabe ethi ke akathandi ezinye zezinto ezenzakalayo. Kunalokho ufuna ukumforce ukuthi akenze izinto. And what I've observed guys ukuthi uMpumelelo ufuna ukusebenzisa ama tactics asebenzisa ubaba wakhe kwisithembu sakhe, of which I don't think that is going to work, because now it's 2023 guys. You cannot use indlela ubaba wakhe ayiphatha ngaso isithembu ngama 90s not going to work guys. So now guys, man, they're very worried about Vuyokazi and they're advising her to leave. Let's check the few comments on the comment section. Omunye uthege, Vuyo, leave, it's not too late, you still have a time to build yourself and take care of your baby with or without him. It's not working for her, she must just leave. Why is she still staying? I wish she knew how valuable and beautiful she is. She doesn't have to stay with this guy who does not value her. She won't leave, she want imali angithi soke bazumunyisa strong. All this because of a 22-year-old boy. Come on sister. And yeah guys, Vuyokazi is there for money. Why doesn't she just leave? Why is Vuyokazi still in this relationship? Vuyokazi is focused on everything, Vuyokazi focused on everything else but herself. She needs to get it together and put Mpumelelo last. Well guys, so one of my advise abantu who are very worried about uVuyokazi, but abanye ke akabishiye ke uMpumelelo aqale kahle impilo yakhe kabusha before abe pregnant ingane yesibili. Abanye bathi ke mhlawumbe ujabuliswa ke ifame kanye nemali, but kulo situation leyo ke she's sacrificing her happiness and she's always not happy. Angazi ukuthi uthini wakho umbono, but do leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.